Hello everyone, and today we are live again with one of our activity. As you all know that we have done animals in this month. दिसंबर में हमने animals करवाए जिसमें हमने बच्चों को wild animals करवाए. कौन से एनिमल्स ऐसे हैं जो पेट एनिमल्स हैं और उनके साउंड्स, उनके फीचर्स, उसके बारे में बातें की हैं. लास्ट फ्राइडे वी वर लाइव विथ वन ऑफ द एक्टिविटी जिसमें वो एनिमल वॉशिंग वाली एक्टिविटी थी जो टूथब्रश से वो कर रहे थे. सो टुडे वी हैव डन अ सेटअप टू डू अ स्प्रे पेंटिंग. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन दैट हमने बहुत बड़े बड़े एनिमल्स ड्रॉ किए हैं एंड यू कैन सी that there is a spray bottle here, and what they will do that they will come and they will do the coloring on the animals. So now teachers are preparing them to come outside, and you can see that that everyone is very excited to see that what is outside, and they will tell one by one to them that how to do this activity. So let's wait for our students when they will come, and then they will sit on the chair and then they will do the activity. So few of them are here and they are waiting when teacher will come.
Sit on the chair.
Hello Adrish, how are you? Yes. What are these? Where is cat? Cat. How does cat sound? How does cat sounds?
Meow.
Lion. Very good. Can you tell me more? Fish. Very nice. Elephant. And parrot. Very good. Armish, where is parrot? And they are so excited to see that what to do. Now let's see that how the teacher will guide them to do this. And now see, our little one will start this activity by spraying it.
It's purple. Now it's red like this. Very nice.
And they have done this purple cat in the brown bear story. And he is just exploring that how to do the spray like this. Take this. मुंह पे हो जाएगा. It's okay. Do it. Now let's go at what Varisha and Harim is doing. Harim, can you spray it on the lion? Thank you.
Come on, spray. Simon, spray. Very good.
Harim, what is this? Lion. Very nice. And Hassan is doing on the fish. Hassan, what is this? Fish. Do you like fish? Yes? And Adrish is doing on elephant. Yes, do it, try it again. So this activity enhances the fine motor skills, eye-hand coordination, gross motor skills because they have to stand and do the activity. So this was the purpose of this activity, and you can see that Shayan, what is this? And he's trying to do this and press and color it. It takes lots of effort to do this activity for the students, but it will improve their fine motor skills. Shayan, what is this? Parrot? Parrot? Do you like parrot? What color you are doing on parrot? What color is this? And he's very busy in doing this and putting all of his efforts to do this spray painting. Let's see what other are doing. And you can see that how they are doing. Yes, what happened? It's not working. Try it again. And here is one more student. My Zimal is here. Zimal, can you do this spray painting? What is this? ये कौन है? Cat? How does cat sounds? Zimal, how does cat sounds? Meow. 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 How does cat sound? Meow. Meow. Do the spray painting. It's okay. Do the spray painting. You have done? Give your bottle to the teacher. And see now Ibrahim is also doing. Hi Ibrahim. Try to do it. Ibrahim, what is this? Elephant. It's okay, Adrish. Adrish, take your water. Take your bottle. And Shayan has done the painting. Shayan, are you happy? Okay. Yes, very good. Now you can see that they all are enjoying and doing the activity. And Noah is looking at the parrot. Oh, wow.
Parrot sound is? What's the parrot sound?
So now again we will come back live on next Friday with another activity, and then you guys can see that how we are working with the kids and they are enjoying the activity. Now they don't want us to be around to watch them, and they are enjoying. So thank you for joining us. Allah Hafiz.